Good evening, folks. Today we have a black Balisong unboxing. Today we have the Bradley Kimura as the unboxing knife. We have two knives from Black Balisong. And would you look at that? Sweet t-shirt. That's pretty tough. But we didn't come here for t-shirts. Would you look at that? Wow. Oof. So this is the V2 channel Reaper. Purple anodization. It's got an M390 blade. Bushings and washers. Grade 5 titanium handles, and it weighs 4.135 ounces. Man, that is something. And for the other one, we have the V2 Rebola. It has a D2 blade, G10 scales with grade 5 titanium and liners and spacers. It also runs on bushings and washers, and it is 4.37 ounces. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking, and I enjoy further comments from you all.